Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we're gonna see some topic. You all know that. Maybe you may not know too. Okay, Binance savings. You know that you can save your money and you can get interest back. But do you know you can save the crypto in account savings, and you can earn when you save crypto, guys. Okay, so it's very trustable Binance app. They are giving it the complete guide of the Binance savings. We're gonna see today, guys. Okay, let's get into the video, guys. So this is the Binance app, guys. Okay, just open and log in your Binance app. Okay, so here a lot of options are available: deposit, referral. Okay, so there is more option is available, guys. Okay, no need more option. Just above the more option, savings option available. Okay, click on that savings option. Okay, so click on that savings option. So here flexible locked auto invest, lot of option available. Okay, flexible locked auto invest. Okay, here lot of option available, flexible. Okay, so click on locked option. Okay, guys, here's the thing. Okay, here's the thing, which are the coins you have. Okay, AXS, Cake, BUSD, USDT, EGLT, Dog, Fund, lot of coin available, guys. Okay, so here you can think how many days you want to lock up. Okay, how many days you want to lock up. Okay, because if you have $100 worth of coin, okay, if you have $100 worth of AXS, okay, just for an example I'm telling, if you have $100 of worth of AXS, you can just put in this savings account by subscribing here, and you can earn the interest. Okay, here for 7 days or 15 days you know it. Okay, the AXS coin, they are giving the annualized interest rate 25%. Okay, so if you are holding for $100 coins, you will be getting annualized interest for $25. Okay, that's a simple method. Okay, duration is 7 days, 15 days. Two options is there. Okay, so click on this 15 days. Click on subscribe. Okay, click on subscribe option. Okay, so I am just making an example for 15 days. Okay, guys. So subscription amount. How much you want to subscribe. Okay, AXS, how much AXS you want to subscribe. Okay, so here what says 1x, minimum 1 access you should hold. Okay, how much you want you can hold. Okay, so I'm just giving for 100. Okay, so I don't have enough balance, but I'm just clicking on 100. Okay, so lot size 1 access, individual max this much lots. Okay, so interest per lot is 0.0205x, 50% annualized. Okay, so subscription date will be today, guys. Okay, you want to right now what time I am subscribing, that time will come, and value date will be today's date after some time, and end date will be after 15 days. After 15 days means April 3rd, that's the end date. Okay, so interest total cost. Okay, so interest means how much I am locking up, so how much I will get it back interest. Okay, that thing will come. Okay, so that's what the thing, and total cost, how much I am locking. Okay, so that will come, guys. Okay, so that's the thing. So just click on read the things, and if you have enough balance, you can just click on confirm. Okay, so that's it, guys. It will directly, you will be in savings account, you will be redirected to savings account, and you will be subscribing that one. Okay, so just click on KDA coin is right now not available, guys. Okay, guys, so like this, which coin you want to hold. Okay, like this, which coin you want to subscribe, how much days you want to subscribe, you can like that or do like that. Okay, like which are the coins available here, you can choose the coin and how much days, like here 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, a lot of coins available. Which coin you are eligible, you can do this, guys. You can lock this, and for as per 90 days you can earn the interest, guys. Okay, like this, lot of coins available. Okay, so here flexible deposit timeline, here the thing is under preparation, so as soon as it will open, after that you can join in flexible deposit timeline also. Okay, So flexible and locked, two options is available. Which one is suitable for you? You can just check it out and you can choose the right time. Okay, how much time you want to put it in savings account, you can think about it, and you can just put your crypto into savings account and you can earn your interest, guys. Okay, it's very simple method, guys. Just try, because it's also a passive income. If you are keeping in savings account, it's a passive income you will be getting for every 30 days, 90 days. It will be very best worth. Okay, Binance is giving the very best platform to earn like this by savings account, guys. Okay guys, I hope you all like this video. So we'll see you in another great video, guys. Thank you so much, guys.